Hello everyone, good evening. This is Bimi here, designer on the team, and this is sprint update for the 30th of March 2021. At the beginning of this sprint, I made an addition to the task page to add the ellipses here, the drop down on actions that you can perform on a task um, by clicking the ellipses on the task page. So now you can, from the task homepage, you can go ahead, click these ellipses concerning a particular task, and you can go ahead to edit the task, leave a comment, and mark as complete. All of these actions are already implemented on the platform. So this is acting like a shortcut to performing these actions. Moving over to the main task for this sprint, which I have been working on in this sprint and last sprint as well, is the navigation redesign, the overall redesign of the platform, the feel, and everything user experience and user interface design concerning our platform. So I carried out a critique session that was held asynchronously with the team and got feedback from the team members, from our team members concerning designs that I had already worked on prior to this, and getting general feedback and also ideas on how to improve the overall experience and interface of the platform. And I got really awesome feedback from the team, a lot of which I have implemented and a lot of which are things to keep in mind in future concerning designs and as we are expanding to to get other communities. Yes. So prior to what I had shown last sprint, we had decided to go for a much more cleaner feel that would be easier for us to onboard new brands or new communities, new cities on our platform without having to tweak so much of our user interface, designs, colors, and all of that. So we decided to go for a much cleaner feel and also cards that can swipe or rather scroll horizontally for. Um, we have also decided that on the client's homepage, we'll be adding the customer journey for the house a particular client has to see where they are in the construction process. So in this situation here, Jane Doe has a plot and she's at the sixth step out of 7 steps. Um, her, her or his plot is currently under awaiting construction, and then he or she can click here to get more information regarding um, going over to the next stage. And this can be articles that we've written on the news page and all of that, or sometimes can link over to the um, customer success to reach out for support, talk to a customer success representative. Moving over to the admin view, um, this is new. I hadn't worked on this last sprint. So we have decided that there are really important information that an admin would like to see on the home page, one of which is regarding payments. So one of the requests that we got was that Nkwashi staff would rather have a way to access um, to make new payments from the home screen as opposed to having to go into a user's page go ahead to make payments. So this is something that we put into consideration here. So you can see a breakdown of the total amount of payments made per time, today, this week, this month, this year. You can go ahead to click make a new payment to go ahead to make a new payment. And here you can swipe to go to the next section, which is invoices. On presenting this to them, we also found out, or we were told that a request was made that invoices is a really important feature that they would like to have on the homepage as well. So they want to see the total invoices, maybe 1 day past due, 1 week past due, 1 month past due, all of which haven't been paid. And then you can click here to create a new invoice. Another request that we had from CSMs was to have task reminders on the home admin page, so you can see all your tasks coming up that will soon be due. So if, for instance, one is due today, or you don't have any task due this week, then you see the next upcoming task that's due. On clicking any of these cards, you can now see the payments breakdown. So from here, you can sort of filter between each of these instead of having to go back to the home page to click a card again to go over to their payments breakdown. So that's easier. So CSMs and country staff want to see the total number of people that made payments, cash, um, check, mobile money, and all of that. And they also want to see the people that haven't paid, that have their payments or invoices, let's say a week past due. You want to be able to see all of them and then click on the user, maybe to reach out to them and all that. And here you can also see the total amount that the invoice is for that is unpaid. So yeah, that's more or less it for now. Um, Another thing worked on in this sprint is starting out or drawing out a usability plan. um, I have done that and had a meeting with the CSMs concerning it, drawing out a usability plan as to how we want to go about reaching out to clients, getting feedback from them as well, and also watching them as they interact with our platform and getting feedback to improve the overall experience and user interface of the platform. That's all for this sprint. Looking forward to next sprint. Yeah, bye.